the LG V20 ticker, and today I'm doing a video about Clubhouse. So Clubhouse is now found on Android. It's currently in beta, and y'all guys will need an invite to use Clubhouse on Android. So if you guys want to check this out, the link to this will be down below. So make sure you do that. You guys get Clubhouse, drop an audio chat. So Clubhouse is basically an audio chat app, so that's pretty cool there. So yeah, so now it's available on Android. It's been available on iOS for a few months now, and it's not coming to Android, guys. So let's go ahead and check the screenshots of Clubhouse here. So it says here, listening and to live conversations. Explore the hallways to find their rooms. Say who's online and say hello. Find your people and community. So that's pretty cool, right? So yeah. So like I said, it's kind of in beta right now, so to keep that in mind. So it says that, hey, we are looking hard to add people to Clubhouse as fast as we can. But right now, you need an invite to sign up. Anyone can get one by joining the waitlist or by asking an existing user for one. Clubhouse is a space for casual drop-in audio conversations with friends and other interesting people around the world. Go online anytime to chat with the people you follow. Hop in as a listener and hear what others are talking about. So that's pretty cool. So this is an audio only application. So yeah. So you guys wanna talk on this, if you guys want to, you guys have to be comfortable talking. Of course, this is an audio only application here. So if you guys like to talk and stuff like that, Clubhouse is the app for you. So yeah, there you guys go. Clubhouse is now available for Android. Like I said, it's currently in beta, and you guys will need an invite. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.